Hey, Julianne, I'm actually going to do a recording of how to do a poodle. I actually came in, I changed my role as an instructor to a student. And then if this doesn't work, I would say it's probably something with your computer. I'm just afraid that if you take another class and they use Poodle and it doesn't work, then that might not be good. So we're gonna try this. So when you click on the writing process reflection, you see this. So you'll add submission, and then you see this, and then I'm gonna click here, and I am just going to do a test. Okay, and then we will stop it, and then we'll play it and see if it works. And I am just going to do it. Okay, and then we upload it. Okay, and looks like we did submit for grading. And then I'll just check it again to make sure it's working. And I am just going to do it. Okay. Okay. Oh, I don't want to do that again. Okay. And so that is, that's how you do it. So if you did all of that, and like I said earlier, if it's not working, I would think that it is something with your computer. So I don't know if this will help or not, but I hope so. Okay, I'll talk to you soon.